Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going over the Harbor Freight 25% off all floor jacks and jack stands this weekend. What we're going to do in this video is show you a couple of them that you do not want to buy this weekend. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, now we are looking at the leaked sales flyer here for the parking lot sale that's happening in August. And there is some jacks and jack stands that are in the sale. And they are a way better deal than they are going to be in the 25% off weekend sale. First off, we got the 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands available in these 9 colors. And right here, you can already see 30% off at $34.99. Way better than 25% off. Next up here, we have the 1,300-pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dollies from Daytona. These are $40 off at $89.99. Now, these are 31% off. So these are a better deal during the parking lot sale. Next up here, we have the 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump. This is also from Daytona, available in these 4 colors. The sales price on these are going to be $179.99 at $90 off. That's going to be 33% off. Once again, better deal during the parking lot sale. Next up here, we have the Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack with the rapid pump. The sales price on this one is going to be $229.99 at $60 off on that one. Now this one is only 21% off. So you would want to buy this one this weekend with the 25% off. Then we got the Badlands 3-ton off-road floor jack. This one is going to be $279.99. This one is $100 off. Now this one is 26.5% off, so you definitely want to hold off. Don't get it this weekend. Wait until the parking lot sale and pick this one up. Now the next one I want to look at here is going to be this Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack with the rapid pump. This one is $70 off at $99.99. Seems like a decent deal on that one because it is. This one is 42% off. Not bad at all on that one. So I would definitely wait and snag this one during the parking lot sale. Do not buy this one this weekend. And the last one I want to look at here, I'm not sure if this is going to be on the sale or not for 25% off, but we're going to go over it anyways. We have the 1-ton capacity foldable shop crane. The boom extends 35.25 inch to 45 7/8 of an inch. It's $50 off right now at $219.99 during the parking lot sale. Now that is only 19% off, so if they include that this weekend in the 25%, go ahead and snag it up this weekend. It would be a better deal. Well, there you have it. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little video here of what not to buy and what to buy during the 25% off all floor jacks and jack stand sale that's going on this weekend. Definitely wait on some of these and pick them up during the parking lot sale. Save you some money. So as always, don't forget to check the link out down below. Down there, I have affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.